fish. Now we have a lot of species of butterfly fish and angelfish in here, and they are kind of hard to tell apart. They're both laterally compressed, and these are really skinny, and they're really long and tall. The main difference between the two are angelfish have a protective spine at the base of their tail. When another fish eats them, they'll get that spine in the mouth, normally they'll spit the fish out, because it's kind of like eating a needle, and no one really wants to do that. Whereas the butterfly fish, like those raccoon butterfly fish, they don't have that spine. So unfortunately it's kind of hard to tell by looking, but that is the biggest difference. Alright, now we're going to go to this orange fish up at the top, the really weird looking one. We got two of them swimming by each other. Those are our two guinea fowl puffers. The larger, brighter one, his name is Mikey. Everybody see how big Mikey is right now?
Yeah.
It's not too big, right? Well, when he gets scared, he'll inhale a mixture of air and water, and he can inflate himself to the size of an NBA basketball.
No.
So he gets huge. I've actually never seen him puff up, though. I guess he's just used to people trying to scare him, getting him to puff up. He may have forgotten now, I don't know, but I've never seen him puff up at all. We got a lot of the guys. They're black and white stripes. They got yellow fins. They're schooling fish. They do better in larger groups. They're called long-finned bannerfish. You can tell the differences between the males and the females because the males have that